In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do delays in Mailerlite workflow. Delays are one of the most powerful tools in any email automation because they control the timing between your messages. Instead of sending everything at once, you can space your emails out in a way that feels natural to your subscribers and supports your goals, whether that's nurturing leads, welcoming new customers, or delivering a mini course over several days. Let's walk through how to add a delay inside your Mailerlite automation workflow, step by step. First, open your automation workflow editor. This is the visual area where you see your trigger, your emails, and any conditions you've set up, usually laid out like a flowchart. Make sure you're inside the specific workflow where you want to add a pause, because any change you make here will affect how subscribers move through that sequence. Next, decide exactly where you want your pause to happen. Maybe you want a delay right after a welcome email or between two educational emails in a series. Once you've found that spot in the workflow, hover your mouse over the line or area between the two steps. You should see a small plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to add a new step into the flow at that exact point. When you click the plus icon, Mailerlite will show you several step options you can add, such as sending an email, adding a condition, or performing an action. From this list, select Delay. This tells Mailerlite that instead of doing something right away, you want subscribers to wait before moving to the next step. After you choose Delay, look to the sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you define how long that delay should be. You can set it in minutes, hours, days, or even a specific date and time. For example, you might choose a one-day delay between your welcome email and your next message, or a few hours between a download delivery email and a follow-up. If you use a specific date and time, keep in mind that everyone hitting that step will wait until that exact moment to continue. Once you've chosen the timing that makes sense for your workflow, review it to be sure it aligns with your overall strategy and subscriber expectations. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Your delay step is now part of the automation, and subscribers will automatically pause there before moving on to the next action in your sequence.